Here. Let's get a little George on in the action. There you go. Let's see this. Turn up real fast. As long as I have the words, I can sing those up. Stay, last two songs. Come on, Stace. I just found rain.
Her voice is too worn out anyway.
Yes. My throat there.
She's going to sing next weekend?
We're supposed to sing next weekend. Dude, I was not singing that with them. It's quiet. I don't know where to go. I might have to fake the words out. Oh, I'm singing the right words out. What the fuck? There's no words, no words. It's out. So we need somebody's gonna be dependable. We're gonna have to start searching, dude. How you gonna do it? On the internet thing?
Looking on that.
If we do get a singer, we're gonna have to. We can't just play in the basement. You know, we gotta take them out.
Start over.
I don't want to start over.
Yeah.
So now the real singer will figure it out real fast. They won't have to, you know what I mean?
That's true.
Yeah, and they would also be dedicated to us, so they wouldn't strain their voice either, so we could do it longer.
Or they also might be worse. They also might be like, oh, I can only sing, you know,
Or
when it's 82 degrees.
A lot of singers are prima donnas and they're like, oh, I don't like that song. I want to do this song.
I have friends tell me all the time. What's that? They should be together. Always together. Yeah. Let's see what time we get. I know a bunch of singers too. I don't know if they want to sing.
One thing we should also, I mean, first off, we should be getting out so that we can try and find folks.
To what?
We should be getting out
Get
to
out
try
and
and find.
Right,
Yeah.
that's true, yeah.
Even if we're not playing anywhere, we just go around and checking places out.
Right, that's true, yeah, we should do that. Let's do that right now. No, it's close now. Fuck. What the hell's overtime? Once I don't have,
With like 5 of the same song, you don't have one of the other ones.
they're always together, you know, it's not together. Let's just try to fucking fake it, I guess, I don't know. Let's try it, son, That sounds awful. Sorry, I missed that. That's what it was. I had it on this. My bad. Do that again. Now it's loud. Too loud, right? Yeah. Which one? Where? Is this one working here? That's it. ready. I'm ready when you are. Let's go. Up a little bit, down a little bit. Left.
Oh
voice and not. And I lost you, or was something else happening?
Because you played the key that he uses to go to like albatross is like
Oh, is
yeah, you
the
hit-
word?
Yeah,
That's the
that's
keyword?
It's the keyword
I
that
know.
means there's two more.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know the word, so I was just making them
And
up.
then telephone is the last one.
Right.
yeah.
So
I was like,
So you hit the two keys that
Right.
confuses the most.
see, that's okay. It still worked.
yeah,
If I had fucking vocals, maybe we would do it. Or a
Yeah.
guitar player.
you had that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, the thing just goes off every 5 seconds.
You can program it not to.
I do it on my phone too. I should do that. Put them all on my phone. So my phone don't go off. What else we got? Any more something? Let's see. It's pretty good though. I liked it.
The only thing we haven't done was
Time of wheel.
for roses and timing for the wheel.
Fuck the roses. I just want to play it. Time to, I don't know if I can sing it.
Yeah. Probably.
Want to try it though? It's not going to be good, but.
As long as you can get the groove down and the music. And nail the three of us together. The
Right.
words are
And it's,
You can just,
I'm going to try
just
doing
ground to the mic and
they're
it'll still
always
be.
there,
Yeah.
you know. But we got to get our in sync with it.
Yes, I agree with that. That's a, yeah, that's the one that's good, yeah. Play this when you're ready, G-Dog.
Yeah.
I don't go down. Let's try one. Now I'm gonna not do a real loud. Let's just try it one more time, but I'm not gonna do a real loud, just a little loud.
All right.
Just the end one. 4 times. Yeah. Just say. Something's feeding back like crazy here. Bang like that, down. I can't remember how much.
1, 2, 3.
We do.
1, 2, 3, 4. And you go like.
I'll work on it next time. My
5.
Gotcha.
I was feeding back some. Yeah, let's do it next time. It's just there's something